Hey guys, what's up, liberal arts math? How's it going? Just wanted to bring you guys another checklist video, see what's going on for the week. Not much has changed this week. We have a full week of school, so that means 12 topics, 120 minutes, and to upload a picture of your work to Alex. Keep plugging away, guys. You're almost there. Almost there. We only got I don't know, not many weeks left. All right. So you guys got this. I believe in you. A lot of you have been reaching out if you need help. That's been great. It's been helpful for me to see what you're struggling with and where I can help. So keep doing that and keep up the good work. If you need anything, just shoot me a message on Schoology or through email, and I'll get back to you pretty much right away. Okay. Even if you think, hey, it's like nighttime, I don't want to bug him, or in the evening, like like 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, go ahead and send that message, okay? Because I'll still reply. I'll still help you out. All right. If you need anything else, just let me know, and I will see you guys next week. All right, bye.